In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an Airbnb listing. To get started, open Airbnb on either the website or the app and sign in to your host account. Once you're in, head to your listing section. This is where you'll see all of the properties you currently manage. From there, select the listing you want to duplicate. Make sure you choose the correct one because the duplicate will copy over much of the information from that original listing. After opening the listing, go into the listing settings and look for the duplicate option if it's available on your account or device. Airbnb's layout can vary a little between the app and desktop, so the wording or placement may not look exactly the same for everyone. When you find it, click or tap Duplicate Listing to create a copy. Once the duplicate is created, take some time to carefully review the new listing before publishing it. This is an important step because while duplicating can save time, you still want to make sure the copied version accurately reflects the property you plan to advertise. Start by updating the listing title and description so they clearly match the new listing. Then review the photos and confirm they are the right ones. If needed, remove any images that don't belong and upload updated ones. Next, check the amenities section and make sure everything listed is correct. After that, review your pricing and availability settings. These details can directly affect bookings, so it's worth double-checking them carefully. You'll also want to confirm the house rules so guests receive the right expectations before they book. Before moving on, verify that the property address and the rest of the listing information are accurate. This is especially important if you're duplicating a listing for a similar property, since small details can easily be overlooked. A quick review now can help prevent confusion later for both you and your guests. When everything looks correct, save your changes. Saving gives you a chance to preserve your edits before making the listing live. Then, once you're fully satisfied and ready to start receiving reservations, go ahead and publish the duplicated listing. And that's it. Duplicating an Airbnb listing is a simple way to speed up the setup process as long as you carefully review each section before publishing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.